Wait, I was supposed to teach them how to behave? I thought they came pre-installed with Raise Your Hand 2.0. Yeah, no. Let's fix that. Ever started the year thinking your class knows how to act, only to realize you're running a zoo in a school uniform? Let's change that. You don't just say the rules, you teach them like content. And yes, it works. Now here is how. Number 1, start with naming and explaining the behavior. Don't say raise your hand, say raise your hand so we don't all sound like a food court. Everyone deserves to be heard. That's not a rule. That's a mic drop moment. Number 2, model it. Walk it like a boss. Quiet. Back placed neatly. Sit without drama. Make it fun. Use slow-mo like it's a runway show. Trust me, they will pay attention. Number 3, now let them try. Have students model it. Praise what works. Gently redo what doesn't. Nice job, but let's try again. This time without the gymnastics. Number 4, want to lock it? Act out the wrong behavior. Slam a door. Throw a bag. Be extra. Then ask, would you want a class like this? No! Exactly. Number 5, now gamify it. Do a classroom entrance challenge. Let them vote on behavior. Appoint a hand-raising monitor. Jamal's time to shine. Make it a memory, not a lecture. When you name it, model it, practice it, laugh about it, and repeat it, guess what? It sticks. And the classroom, calm, focused, yours. And if you want even more strategies like this, check out my books, links in the description.